Hello class, I'm Bob the computer and welcome to Homeville, where our friends Rocky and Tom are going to fix the wheels on Farmer Brown's old truck. Hello Tom, hello Rocky. Farmer Brown has asked us to fix the wheels on his old truck. Hey everybody, the drone is asking what a wheel is. Okay, think about a wheel like a really cool round thing. It's a special shape that makes it super duper easy for things to move. Just like how our toy cars have wheels that help it move from one place to another smoothly. Think about it like a circle friend that loves to spin and roll and roll and roll. Hey, what you doing there? Get away, dangerous drone. Okay class, now I need you to point to the tires on this truck so your teacher can see. Hello class, guess what? I found some extra drones to help you. Drones are our little helpers. Let's count the drones to make sure we have the right team. If you're going to help me count the drones, then put up your hands. Great job everyone, thank you. These are the drones I found outside. Let's count them. Let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drones. Let's count them again just to make sure. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drones. I didn't hear you counting with me. Come on everyone, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 drones. Great job, everyone. Wait, hold on. I hear counting. Did you all count the drones without me? I wanted them to help me count my drones too. I found 3 drones. Kids, can you point to the number 3 so that my drones can see? Just look on the screen and point on the number 3. Show your teacher. Great job, man! You are so smart! Oh, them so smart, Bob. Uh-oh, I didn't see. Could you all point to the number 3 again, so I can see? Great job, everyone! Hey guys, I found some more drones to help us. Let's count them too! Okay guys, count with me. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 drones. Great! Now, which number is the number 4? This one? This doesn't look like 4. This one! Great job! This one is 4! Hey Bob, these kids are really smart. Okay class, we kinda need your help. You see, the drones aren't very smart. So, we need you to do the work on the worksheet, so that they can scan it and get smarter. Let's fix it, man. Hey class, wanna finish with the worksheet? Cause we need more of your help. You see, the drones need to know the shape of the wheel before them start working. Come take a look at this wheel. What shape does this look like? Does the wheel look like this shape? No, this one boxy. How about this one? Yes, it does look like this one, don't it? It looks like a circle. You want to play a game? But I thought we were fixing the truck, man. Fine, I'll ask them. Kids, the drone wants to know if you want to play a game. This game, you tell the drone if the ruler is hard, or if it is soft, or if it is furry. Yep, furry like a cat or a dog or a teddy bear. Alright, imagine you have 2 toys, like a very soft teddy bear and a plastic toy truck. The teddy bear is furry because it is soft and fuzzy and it's covered in fur like a real animal. The toy truck though is hard because it is solid and it's tough and it does not feel like fur. So furry is like your fluffy, cuddly teddy bear, and hard is like the toy truck. Oh, I know. Ask your teacher if they have anything furry so you can feel it, so you can know what furry feels like. Warning, warning. Oh, the Dembots have attacked and scattered all the alphabet letters we found. Find the letter A and then tap the next button. Why them Dembots always attacking? Why they can't just leave we alone? I bet you it's the Bad Alien Blart. Okay kids, we need to tap the next button until we find the letter A. Are you ready? Let me press the button. No, that's not A. Again. No. Again. No. Again. Is the letter A? This looks like the letter A. Is it the letter A, kids? Yeah, man, it's the letter A. Great job. Okay, let's see if we can find the letter A again. Let's go. Next button. Nope, this isn't it. Next button. Nope, this isn't it. Let's press the next button. No, this isn't it either. Wow. Okay, let's press the next button. This is it, right? This is the letter A? Great job, man. Okay, kids, now we need you to write the letter A on your worksheet so that the drones can scan it and understand, right? Let's fix it. Next time when we see you guys, we're going to take off the wheel and work on it. Hey, don't touch that. That's my Aki and Saltfish, man.